Welcome. Today we are diving into statistics to understand the battle between the mean and the median, specifically when dealing with skewed distributions. You will learn why the mean is easily pulled toward the tail and when you should be careful about using it. First, let's define our two key players. The mean is the arithmetic average. You calculate it by adding up all the numbers and dividing by the count. The median, on the other hand, is simply the middle number. It separates the higher half of the data from the lower half. In a perfect world, we have a symmetrical distribution, often called the bell curve or normal distribution. Here, the data is evenly mirrored on both sides. In this case, the mean and the median are exactly the same, right in the center. But real-world data is often messy. This is called skewness. Skewness simply means asymmetry. The data is not balanced. Instead of a perfect hill, we have a distorted shape with a long tail stretching out to one side. Let's look at a positively skewed distribution, also known as right-skewed. Notice the long tail stretching to the right. Here is the important part. The median stays close to the peak, representing the typical value. However, the mean gets pulled to the right, towards the tail. The mean is greater than the median here. A classic example of positive skew is income distribution. Most people earn a moderate income, represented by the hump on the left. But a few billionaires earn massive amounts, represented by the long tail on the right. These few billionaires pull the average income up significantly, making it look like everyone is richer than they actually are. The median is a much more accurate reflection of the typical person's income. Now let's look at the opposite, a negatively skewed or left-skewed distribution. Here, the tail stretches to the left. Just like before, the mean follows the tail. The low values in the tail drag the mean down, so the mean becomes less than the median. Think of an easy exam where almost everyone gets an A or a B, the peak is on the right side. But a few students might fail completely, creating a long tail to the left. These few failing scores will drag the class average down, even though the typical student did very well. The median score would remain high, accurately showing that the test was easy. Here is a summary to help you remember. In a normal distribution, they are equal. In a right-skewed distribution, the tail is on the right and the mean is greater than the median. In a left-skewed distribution, the tail is on the left and the mean is less than the median. The mean always chases the tail. To wrap up, remember that the mean is sensitive to outliers and follows the tail. The median is robust and stays with the majority. So, whenever you see data like house prices or salaries, always ask for the median to get the true picture.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.